When you install it and open it for the first time, this is what you see. We have the main platforms and a few others in this drop-down menu. I will fast forward this part because it's super easy to do. In this example, I will connect my Twitch account. As this is your first time, we'll start fresh. The main interface splits into 5 sections. This here on the top is the output window. It shows what's being recorded. This here to the left is the scene panel, and to its right, the source panel. To understand those two, let me give you an example. In a play, you see the stage, right? The stage is the scene, but the tools, actors, lights, etc. are sources. Here, scenes are just scenes to organize your workflow. For example, if you play 2 games, you can create 2 separate scenes and click on the one you want to stream. You can see that when I click on each of those, the options in the source panel change. The sources are the tools and stuff we see on stage. Those fill the stage. The last section here is your audio section. You can mute and unmute mic and computer sound. You can also change those in the settings. I have a few here, and depending on how many mics are connected, you'll see them all here. Now let's cover how we can add a game to the window. For that, we'll add our scene and name it Far Cry 5. In the source window, you'll click on this plus sign. Now, we have lots of sources to select from. The panel splits into Essentials, General, and Widgets. You can add one of those or multiple. For example, you can add the game capture and then add text over the capture to show the game's title. Or you can capture the whole window right here. It's easy. What Streamlabs can do is displayed on the screen now. These are the things that are possible with this program. Alright, let's add Far Cry 5 now. We'll click on Game Capture and then click on Add Source again. When it's added, you can double click on it to configure. You don't have to, but if you want to. The first option is the mode, Set to Auto. This indicates that Streamlabs will automatically detect any full screen game and display it here. For any reason, if it can't, we'll click on this and then click on the specific window and select our game from the active windows. Below this, we have a few other options to customize. Let's add another game and fast forward the video. We can see that I have 2 games with different sources. I can click on any scene to stream without modifying the program. Remember that we skipped the themes part? Well, the button is right here. You can enable any of the themes. Now, some of those themes come with built-in scenes and sources to help you get started. When you optimize the program, it autofills most of the stream settings. But if you like, you can go to the settings right here and adjust the output, audio, and video settings. In the settings menu, you'll also see your connected account with the platform right here. Let's go back. Now you can click on this arrow to enable the chat. You will see the live chat and can respond as well. One thing streamers like is alert box shows that can be used to show donations, merch, follows, subscriptions and more. You can enable it and leave it here and your viewers will see this data right on their screen. To go live, we click on this button. When you go live, a new window opens up with title, game name and text options. Let's fill those out. Once done, click on this confirm button. Now we are live. Let's make it count, boys. Now, if you want to see what's happening on Twitch, here's a glimpse. Doesn't it look ugly? Anyway, let's end this stream before anyone sees us. Streamlabs can also be used to record videos, but as the recording is not streaming, I suggest checking the recording settings to ensure that the recording is of the desired quality. We'll click on Settings and then Output and then to the recording section to adjust the settings. So we have covered the essential features of Streamlabs. There are some advanced options that you can explore. Those include adding a chatbot, adding a new user, checking your stream's dashboard for analytics, and exploring Streamlabs Prime for options like multi-platform streaming, premium themes, and applications. Anyway, this is it for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped. See you in the next one. Until then, stream safely.